Welcome to Breaking the Chain, a journey toward transforming those stubborn negative habits that have been holding you back. Today, we'll explore practical, science-backed strategies that can help you break free from patterns that no longer serve you. Have you ever promised yourself this is the last time, only to fall back into the same patterns days later? Whether it's procrastination, unhealthy eating, excessive phone use, or negative self-talk, we all have habits we wish we could change. The good news? These habits aren't signs of weakness or character flaws. They're simply patterns your brain has reinforced over time. And just as they were learned, they can be unlearned. To truly transform habits, we need to understand how our minds work. Think of your mind as an iceberg. The conscious mind is the small tip visible above water, about 10% of your mental processing. The subconscious mind is the massive portion hidden beneath, responsible for 90-95% of your behaviors. Your conscious mind is logical, analytical, and deliberate. It sets goals and makes plans. When you decide to start exercising or eating healthier, that's your conscious mind at work. However, your subconscious mind runs on autopilot. It houses your beliefs, emotions, habits, and automatic responses developed throughout your life. This is why willpower alone often fails us. We're using the 10% conscious mind to battle the 95% subconscious. Top athletes like MS Dhoni credit their split-second decisions not to conscious thinking, but to subconscious training and muscle memory. The key to lasting habit change is aligning both minds. Your conscious mind sets the intention, but the strategies we'll discuss next work by gradually reprogramming your subconscious patterns. Every habit follows what psychologist Charles Duhigg calls the habit loop. In the loop, there are the following elements. 1. Trigger or cue, which means the situation that initiates the behavior. 2. The routine, that is, the behavior itself. 3. The reward, that is, the benefit you get from this behavior. Let's look at an example. You feel stressed. This is your trigger. Then you reach for your phone and scroll through social media. This is your routine, and then you get a momentary distraction from your stress. This is your reward. Take Virat Kohli, one of India's greatest cricketers. Early in his career, he struggled with poor dietary habits. He's spoken openly about how changing those habits transformed not just his physical fitness, but his entire career. Neuroscience shows us that every time we repeat a behavior, we strengthen neural pathways in our brain. The challenge is that we can't simply delete these pathways. Instead, we need to create new, stronger pathways through consistent practice. Research from University College London found that it takes an average of 60 days to form a new habit, significantly longer than the popular myth of 21 days. Priyanka Chopra Jonas developed disciplined daily routines to transition from Miss World to successful actress in both Bollywood and Hollywood. She replaced habits of complacency with consistent daily work on her craft, language skills, and physical training. Now let's get practical with 5 evidence-based strategies you can implement today. Strategy number 1, identifying your triggers. Keep a simple habit journal. Each time you engage in your negative habit, note 1. When and where it happened. 2. What you were feeling. 3. Who you were with. 4. What happened just before Olympic gold medalist PV Sindhu identified emotional triggers that affected her concentration. By recognizing patterns triggered by certain match situations, she developed effective counter strategies. Strategy number 2. Designing your environment. Your environment shapes your behavior more than willpower. Make negative habits harder and positive habits easier. Put your phone in another room while working. Keep nutritious foods visible and unhealthy foods out of sight. Music director A.R. Rahman redesigned his work environment to eliminate distractions, creating a specially designed studio that helps him maintain deep focus. Strategy number 3. Replace, don't erase. You can't delete neural pathways, but you can create new responses to the same triggers. If stress leads to unhealthy snacking, plan alternative responses like deep breathing or a quick walk. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson replaced negative coping mechanisms with exercise. When facing career setbacks, he channeled his frustration into intense gym sessions, a replacement habit that became central to his success. Strategy number 4. Use implementation intentions. Create specific if-then plans. If it's Monday, Wednesday, or Friday at 7 a.m., then I will do a 30-minute workout. If I feel the urge to check social media while working, then I will take 3 deep breaths and refocus. These concrete plans eliminate decision-making in the moment. Strategy number 5. Practice self-compassion. Research shows that self-criticism makes habit change harder, not easier. When you slip up, treat yourself with kindness, learn from the setback, and continue moving forward. Cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar learned self-compassion to overcome performance anxiety during challenging periods. Rather than harsh self-criticism after failures, he developed routines to reset mentally and focus on process over outcomes. One of the most powerful factors in successful habit change is accountability. Research from the American Society of Training and Development found that having a specific accountability appointment with someone increased the likelihood of completing a goal to 95%. This is why athletes have coaches, and why the most successful habit changers often have some form of community support. Actress Deepika Padukone has been open about her journey with depression and how establishing regular check-ins with her therapist and support network was crucial to building healthier mental habits and breaking cycles of negative thinking. Similarly, international tennis star Serena Williams credits her success to the accountability provided by her coaching team and family, helping her maintain the disciplined habits necessary for her extraordinary career longevity. The strategies discussed today are powerful, but implementation is where many people struggle. That's why the Breaking the Chain community has been created, a supportive group where you'll receive 1. Activities designed to systematically replace negative habits. 2. Personal accountability through our buddy system. 3. Direct guidance from an experienced coach, a community of like-minded individuals on similar journeys. Whether you're breaking free from procrastination, negative self-talk, unhealthy eating, or excessive screen time, you don't have to do it alone. To join us, simply follow the details in the description box below this video. Did you like this video? If yes, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Take care.